Prepositions of movement show direction and path of action. Today we focus on up and down. Up means moving to a higher position. Down means moving to a lower position. These help us describe where something or someone is going. Prepositions of movement describe direction and path. Walk up the stairs means moving from bottom to top. Climb down the ladder means moving from top to bottom. These words help us understand exactly how and where movement happens. Walk up the stairs, climb down the ladder. The child goes up the slide and then comes down from the slide. He ran up the hill and walked down again. Notice how up always means higher position and down means lower position. Up means moving higher. Climb up stairs, walk uphill, go up ladder. Down means moving lower. Run downstairs, slide downhill, jump down ladder. Remember, up takes you higher, down brings you lower. Common verbs with up and down are go up, come down, get down, climb down, walk down. The child goes up the slide and then comes down from the slide. He got up the tree and then got down carefully. I live upstairs and my sister lives downstairs. She hiked up the mountain and skied down. The elevator is going up. Take the stairs down. These are real situations where we use up and down every day. She climbed up the stairs to her room. The ball rolled down the hill. We walked up the mountain path. He jumped down from the tree. Fill in up or down to complete each sentence correctly. Up means higher direction like stairs, hill, ladder. Down means lower direction like slide, mountain, tree. Common verbs are go, come, climb, walk, run, get. Practice these in daily scenarios and sentences to remember them.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.